WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1 minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play. Bro, especially as I'm just looking at Wolfspeed, this is a bearish market. Like, not that crazy of a bearish market, but actually it is, because I've been just being bearish in this since it was like $10, and you might think that I'm playing with something, but it's not the case. Like, you could, okay, this is 6. Where's the 10 link? Here it is. Boom, right? $10 at the time, 6 months back. This isn't even last year, December, and since then, man, it's been just melting like crazy. So these are the lows. Honestly speaking, mate, like, unless there is a big catalyst or some full candle close above 180, there's no way I'm looking to buy. So just observing lower lows, no way that I'm selling there, just briefly waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.